Today I get to show you a truly professional DIY van build. This van has all the bells and whistles. It has endless hot water, a recirculating shower, a 12-volt air conditioner, beautiful finish work, and even a hidden litter box for their cat Kita. I think you'll agree, Sandy and Jed did an amazing job.
Hey there guys, I'm Sandy and this is my husband Jed, and we have a YouTube channel called Wonderful Revolution, and you can also find us on Instagram.
Our van is a 2019 4x4 2500 Sprinter. It took us 11 months to build, and so far we love it.
It's absolutely beautiful. We hope you guys like it too. One of the things that we absolutely love about our van is our cooktop. It is a Webasto X100 diesel cooktop, so it actually sips diesel from our diesel tank in the van so that we don't have to have propane or use up a lot of energy for cooking. So I'm the cook in the family, so in addition to loving the stove, I absolutely love our refrigerator. We wanted to put the biggest refrigerator we could in here off of 12 volts, so we went with a isotherm Freeline 115, really efficient on energy, and one of the best parts is it has a freezer for me to store my ice cream in because I need some of that. I also love our sink. It's a nice and deep sink. It's a Rivati sink. It's only 15 by 15, but plenty of room to wash our dishes in. And we have endless hot water, which we'll explain in just a little bit.
One of the most unique features that we absolutely love about our van is our wet bath. We have a composting Nature's Head toilet that can be removed during the shower, but the shower itself is actually a recirculating shower. So using just 7 gallons of water, it passes through a 6-stage filtration system, including a UV filtration system to kill the bacteria. We can take as long of a hot shower as we would like. We do travel with our cat Kita. She's 18 years old, and we had her in mind when we built the sofa. We affectionately call it the Beast. This is the first piece of furniture that we have ever built, and it was the first piece of furniture obviously for the van. But one of my favorite features for the cat is she has a little door to go use the bathroom, and it opens up so we can pull out the litter box for easy cleaning.
So this is Kita, our sweet little kitty. So since we do travel with her, keeping the van, or being able to keep the van cool, is really important for us. So we kind of went back and forth about whether or not we wanted to put an air conditioner in, but in the end we decided to put one. So we actually have a pneumatic cooling 12-volt air conditioner. It runs off, its max consumption is about 75 amps. In eco mode we can run it at about 30 to 40 amps. So it's pretty energy efficient in, the realm of air conditioners anyway. And we can actually run it off of our battery system for about 8 to 10 hours without needing to recharge. So we can actually go out and do things and enjoy our day, and we know our sweet little Kita is safe. So we decided to do a platform bed in the van. For one, we're lazy. We don't like to make a bed, so we didn't want to really have to have something that we needed to make every night. And second, we really wanted to have a nice, comfortable mattress. We wanted something nice and thick and comfortable. So we were actually able to fit a short queen size mattress in here. And by having the elevated bed, of course, we have a huge garage area to carry anything along with us that we need. So living in a van, you need to maximize your storage, and we absolutely love the amount of storage that we were able to put in this van. We have lots of overhead spaces. We can store lots of stuff in here, and we like to use baskets because it kind of just keeps it together and not falling out and going down the road. So we love these spaces here, and then we even have even more kitchen storage on this side, same kind of thing. And we love these latches that they kind of keep them up on their own without having to do like the hydraulic systems. And we decided to put some nice big drawers in here for our kitchen supplies, and we just kind of organized it in little bins, and they work great. We can fit pretty much everything we need in here as far as food preparation and serving. And then back here we have 2 cabinets on each side, one side for me and one side for Jed, where we're able to store all of our clothes. And then the last thing we have, I don't know if you can see it over here, is up here on the top. We have a little cabinet to store all of our toiletries. Everybody has to have a toiletry cabinet. And then we wanted to have a small little closet area where we could hang a suit, a couple dresses and things like that for whenever we need something nicer to wear. So probably my absolute favorite thing that we put in our van build is what we decided to do with our sliding wall. We just kind of covered the area and we decided to put this beautiful wooden map on it that I think is just absolutely gorgeous and totally just fits the decor of the van. But the best part is we can kind of commemorate the different states that we visited by placing these little pins and the countries that we visited. And we do plan to do a Pan American driving from the US to the tip of Argentina coming up very soon. So we just thought it'd be a fun way to kind of show our journey along the way.
One of our priorities, since we are going to be full timing in this van, is storage. So this is our garage. To the right over here is our 33-gallon freshwater tank with access. As well, on the other side, we have our electrical system, which consists of 4 battle-born batteries. So we have 400 amp hours of lithium ion, as well as a Victron inverter charger. On the top of the van, we're also supplemented by 525 watts of New Power solar. At the heart of our hydronic heating system, we have an S-bar heater that sends heated glycol through 2 heat exchangers to feed hot water in our sink and our recirculating shower. As a backup to our backup, we also have a 1000 watt ALP propane generator. This is enough to actually, on a 20-pound cylinder, to power our van, including the air conditioner, for 60 hours.
It was great meeting Sandy and Jed, and I really appreciate being able to share their van with you. I hope this gave you some good ideas for your own van build. I've included links to some of the products that they used in their build in the description below. And if you really want to dive in to how they did each individual piece, they have detailed build videos on their own YouTube channel, Wonderful Revolution. If you know someone who should see this video, please share it with them. And while you're here, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I want to thank you for your thoughtful comments, and if you'd like to discuss nomadic life and get help getting started, then please join our Facebook group, Gal Adventurers. This is Joni with the Galavan. Enjoy your journey.